Good morning, everyone, and welcome to our pre-market YouTube free video of the day from Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. Every single day I have a video to try to help everyone. This morning I'm going into 5 names that I'm going to watch this week and trying to give a trading plan for those names. So let's move into the first one. One of the first names, AMD, it's one of the names that I'll be looking this week. One of the triggers for the possible move here on the stock is earnings. Company is going to report earnings tomorrow night. That can be a game changer here, whether up or down. So for those that following for some time, know that I don't risk on earnings. I don't hold any position, either stock or options on binary events. Anything can happen. But if you want to risk on the stock, you can manage the position and overnight do after the after hours you can manage the position, you can close. But on options it's a difference between having something or on the next day. If the stock opens the opposite way, your options can go to zero, and that can be very ugly. So that's why one of the reasons I don't trade options on stocks that are going to report earnings. So looking for the charts, last week on Thursday I bought some calls here for a scalp. It was an intraday scalp, playing for upside. I get in, get out, lock my profits, and got back into the cash. But I was very happy to see on Friday that the stock had a nice continuation up. So actually, first Thursday lows was actually the lows for the week, and I played very well calling for a scalp and bounce up. But we are not out of the woods, so the bull case scenario here on AMD needs above $82. Why $82? That's the to put the stock above all the key moving average. And notice that the stock hit the high of the day 81.99, just below $82, the 21-day moving average. So maybe coincidence, maybe not, who cares? What it matters, for the bull case, stock needs above 82, and above 82 it can try to break above the resistance line. Bull case scenario needs stock above 88.7, okay? That can come after the event, after the earnings, but no one can really anticipate how the stock will react to earnings. I continue to see very bullish options activity on the name. But that does not mean that the stock needs to react higher after earnings. So stay open-minded for that. Bear case scenario needs the stock below Thursday lows. Okay, below 78.4, you have possible next target all the way into $73-79 area. Below that we have a gap to fill all the way into $69. We have 200-day moving average at 63. That can be a big waterfall, okay? I'm not expecting that, but we need to be open-minded, because I've seen it all. I've seen companies with very nice earnings report, but the outlook is very bad, and the market goes the other way, and the stock goes the other way. So and goes down. So not looking here for a big breakdown, but that can happen. So stay open-minded for that possible scenario. Another name that I'm going to watch this week is Facebook. Facebook is going to report earnings Thursday night. But why did I bring this stock to your attention? First, I continue to see very bullish options activity on Facebook. Okay, that's one of the reasons. And besides that, Facebook is one of the most bullish charts. Facebook and Google are the two most bullish charts from the FANG names. Okay, so last week Google had a very nice upside, and Facebook, after the Snap earnings and big explosion up, the stock gap up, and it held the gap from Wednesday, okay? So that's very bullish. And also on Friday, it squeezed back up and making higher highs, 285 above $280. So I'm staying bullish on the stock for a possible move into $300. $300 will be my target, okay? If the technicals confirm the upside here and the report comes good and the stock has a very nice reaction to the report. We have the stock above all the key moving average, 821, 50-day, 200-day moving average, above all the key moving average, making higher highs, higher lows, holding the gap. So this is very bullish action. What I'll be looking going forward, earnings only Thursday night, so a lot of things can happen. I'll continue to monitor the stock to see if the momentum keeps going or if it will print a reversal sell. If it will print a reversal sell, this can be a short squeeze ahead of the event, reverse down and push back lower after the event, okay? So something to monitor, and that's one of the names that I'll be looking this week. The other name that I'll be looking is Tesla. Why? Tesla reported earnings last week, so the big premium on the options already gone. And on Thursday, before, right after the market opened, 9:30 a.m., I highlighted bearish options activity on the name. Puts $440, around $78, looking for upside, and that worked very well. From puts $440 gone all the way into 407 on Friday, but that worked very well for next week. But on Friday, I saw some deep buying. That's why I will have Tesla this week on watch, because the high premium already out of the stock, and on Friday we saw some deep buyers. But we need a continuation. Stock above 429 confirms the bull case scenario here, looking for a possible attempt to go back into $440 area. $440 area, it is the big wall, and above that, big short squeeze can happen. So I'll be looking if this week, today and tomorrow, we will have a follow through from the Friday action, okay? Deep buying here from 407 all the way with the stock closing at $420. So keep it on your watch. Bear case scenario, below 407 you have $402. If it breaks below $402, watch out, big move down in my opinion. $50 downside here potential on Tesla, okay? So keep it on your watch. Another name that I had to the watch list is Match Group. Why did I have Match Group to the watch? Because technically the stock made a big and beautiful move last week. First, on Wednesday, it broke above my resistance line, and on Friday start making higher highs. So if the stock goes above $120, I'll be looking for the stock to take out 1, 2, 3 and making new all-time highs. So keep it on your watch. Match Group, very bullish action here right now. And the other name that I have is not a stock, but it's an ETF. It's IWM, small caps. Why did I brought IWM and why my highs this week will be on IWM? Because last week it had a very beautiful retest on the big breakout level. Okay, it break out 2 weeks ago, it retested the support 2 weeks ago, and it retested once again. 159 is a big level. So what I'll be looking this week, bull case scenario, to have a continuation here for the bull case after this big move. We need a move above 164. If IWM goes above 164, my target 166 gap to fill. So above 164 we have $2 here upside. If the stock breaks below 158.8, that will be 2 weeks ago lows and also the 21-day moving average. If it breaks below, I'll be extremely bearish. We have a gap to fill here and we can fall apart, and that will confirm the bear case scenario here on the market. But for now, what I'll be looking, considering that the support held twice, looking for a possible move higher going forward. So keep IWM on your watch. It's one of the names that I'll be looking this week for a possible move going forward. So thank you all for watching. If you like this video, please give me a like on the video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It's free from Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. every single day, a video to try to help everyone the best I can. Okay, so wish you all a great trading. Stay safe, and one of the most important things of all, be happy trading. Thanks everyone. Bye bye. See you.